Alright, my people are great when I get you. Are welcome back to another Boga Crazy update. Una know as the matter they be before we start the story we carry us come here. I would like make una like this video, share, comment at the same time. My people are beg make una subscribe to this YouTube channel as Baba K TV. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you go be the first person to see at one time. And as you do that, I pray may God kindly bless you. Amen. Alright, without wasting no time, may we enter the story we carry us come. Make una check out this post where be say this American rapper a post where they call the game. According to the guy, it said niggas dating women's body and women dating niggas pocket. Then why all wonder why the relationship short-lived? Intentions are not pure, so love can't be developed properly. So what did this guy they try to explain for us for year now? They say some guys now don't they date woman body, when some women don't they date women guys pocket. So relationship no dey pure. So that's why you see say most of the relationship, they get long time relationship again, because one of those things don't expire. Maybe the guy don't dey broke, or this body of this guy don't expire. The guy go for another person, when the girl go for another guy wey be say e pocket still load. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me wetin you reason concerning that post, if it really makes sense to you or not. But for me, now the fact wetin come dey happen for the society now, it can be that. Alright, may we enter another story wey carry us come on. I know say time no dey. Make una check out this guy wey be say he just dey jollificate, dey happy because of say $10 daughter wey they call they need this girl reply. He just no be say even reply sef, he just react to this guy comment wey the guy comment for her this thing, her picture. Now this guy for just dey happy anyhow. When I see this thing, I shake my head. I say, God, poverty na bastard. Poverty na wetin e no suppose make a man, make anybody experience for life. So this girl now fellow now just normal human being like us, but because of the collection, because of the money wey papa get, because of the kind class wey be say the money position those girls, now make this guy see this kind of thing, just dey happy, dey jollificate. They just be like say they just buy this guy Christmas cloth when he just dey small pikin. I know as they be that time. So make una check out the video, una see the way the matter take play. We are verificate.
Guy, David reply to my story. David reply to my story. David reply to my story, guys. See. Oh boy, David reply to my story. Oh boy, I don't be celeb friend. Oh boy. See. Guy, go see. Wait till me that.
So now see the way the matter take place. So make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me what you reason concerning that guy. But for me, I want to give advice to everybody. I beg my brothers, my sister, I beg me we try hustle hard, so that another person, so that your pikin no go cost go the see say person don't comment or react put for the post where he post where the person post there, he go cost you the happy. So this girl no be say that because of our personal level, na papa na bring the put for this level. So that's why this generation we did this time we did, so we really need to hustle hard just to make sure say we fit place our own children for some kind of level where be say their own fellow mate, their own fellow children go fit still dey see them, they respect them based on the level where their papa get. May we move enter another matter wey carry us come here, my people. I know say time no dey. So my people, make una check out this video area where they call Abola Egba for Lagos. This white man, well, as I said that they parade. So this man, now woman, now this man just go beat. This white man beat woman, black woman for Nigeria. This kind of thing will be say no go ever happen for white man area. Just because I say this man, he see the system of things, the way things they go for that place. Now I believe say he get the mind to do this kind of thing. Meanwhile, I don't blame this man at the same time, because of the mentality where most of our men they get for the same country as Africa as a whole, way be say they know they value woman because of any small thing, bash bush, they will just beat woman anyhow without respect no dey. And for this white man area where we dey, so even their own white man, e no easy. May you see any white man wey go touch woman say e dey beat her, because of the law wey the thing carry. ISIS if the marriage no come dey go well again, they go divorce, everybody go their own way. Shey una dey see am, and you dey see men now, they just dey shout say see white man don beat woman, he don beat woman, he don beat woman. Shey una dey see am, but wetin the white man do, e no really fair, because for him own country, dem no even him to him fellow white woman sef, e no go even try am, because he know the repercussion, the consequence wey be say e go face. You know the consequence wey be say e go face for him to even raise hand say e dey touch, e dey beat woman. Make una check out the video, make una tell me wetin una reason concerning this issue wey be say I dey show una so. May you drop your comment and your opinion below, so that may we enter another story wey carry us come here. Oya, verification.
That's the white man that slapped the black woman in Nigeria. He's a man. That's the white man. That's the white man.
That is a white man?
A criminal.
A criminal. Beating a woman in our country.
Beating a woman in Nigeria. A white man beating a woman in Nigeria.
So sure, I don't see the way the matter take play now, but me I know say this issue, as far as say it don't involve police, so and how with those guys where they shall say see white man they beat woman, they just fair use their hand romance this white man small, make it get sense. That one for still good, it for still make sense. But since the thing don't enter police and so before you know, the next they say this white man they come out for the police station, because we know as our country people they be that they really they respect this white color. So that one are just normal thing. May we just forget about the matter they don't already settle one. So may we enter another matter where carry us coming, my people, and no say time no day. So before I end this video, my people, make una check out this video. This one they happen for our neighboring country where they call Ghana. Make una check out this bridge, this wood bridge where be say they just construct for this community. So where be say they cross this gutter. And this thing now, it just collapse as una dey see for the erosion wey be say it just dey flow for the community. So I can't just dey imagine when I see this thing, those people wey be say they come dey on top this bridge where this thing take collapse, so the condition wey be say they go dey, because the erosion wey dey really flow past that place now na very heavy one. I dey imagine how their situation go be. This continent wey we dey call Africa, I don't know the leadership wey be say we get. This kind of thing, this kind of structure, you no go ever see am for western area, for western country. They go do it in a mature way wey be say they go first reason human life first, how the life go take safeguard. How you go construct this kind of thing with wood? The same thing wey our brother wey they call Desmond Elliot still go do, put his signboard for everywhere. Now the same thing na just still dey happen for years. So this thing it no make sense. Make our African leaders abeg, make una dey reason the life, make una dey put the interest of the life of una people first for mind before una do anything, because those same people na dey put una for there for the power wey be so una just dey enjoy the money anyhow una see. So make una dey share, una dey see the video dey play, so make una drop una comment, make una see the way the matter, make we talk about the way the matter dey go, if all those our African leaders that they really dey try or not. And at the same time, make una check out this post where this guy just the okpata where this guy dey talk for here. Somehow it makes sense to them wey be the guest. Somehow na our own suggestion like she just make. She say don't let, like this post now, she dey take and she dey use this post to dey encourage their fellow women. Sure you understand? So she say really good cucumber keep you staying blindly with a man who isn't even trying to treat you half as good as you deserve. Sis, he say make you not like man cucumber come keep you for the relationship wey be say the man you know they treat you well just like the way you dey treat yourself. Meanwhile that one na our opinion. So my own opinion, my own suggestion go still be for the men. My own to the men just still be say no let good Polani keep you for relationship wey be say the girl no fit still dey treat you right the way you dey treat yourself. No go let sweet Polani go keep you for girl come go dey tolerate anyhow thing wey be say the girl dey do. All right, this is the end of the video, my people. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below. Subscribe to this channel as Baba K TV. At the same time, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you go to see am one time. All right, my people, thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. See you in my next video. Ciao.